Welcome. In front of me is a KYOCERA Duraforce Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key, and once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off instead of tapping it as you would normally do. So when you hold it, it then appears with the reboot to safe mode option. Confirm it by tapping on OK. And the device will now power off and then back on. And once it's back on, we should see a safe mode message on the bottom, one of the bottom corners of the device. So let's wait for the device to actually turn back on. And you can see safe mode right here. So the device is now in safe mode. And if you want to leave this mode, all you really need to do is just hold the power key once more and then select restart. And once the device is back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see in the safe mode, majority of the things were disabled. So weather updates and stuff like that were disabled, and only the normal apps like phone messages would work. Everything else would be in a way blacked. And you can see that the message is gone and the device is back in the normal mode. So that is how you would enter and also exit the safe mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.